Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about outliers in scatter plots. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Here we are taking our examples from the IXL program. I've handpicked the one from Algebra 1, DD.8, outliers in scatter plots. The outlier is the point that doesn't fit into the data in the scatter plot. The first thing that we need to do is find the highlighted point, which is this dark blue dot here and this dark blue dot here. Now we have to decide which one is the outlier. The outlier is the one that doesn't fit into the data. So that wouldn't be the case for number 2, because you can kind of see here that the dark blue dot falls in the sequence of the data, which means that this is not the outlier. You can kind of see that this dark blue dot here in the first example, the first scatter plot, that the dark blue dot is kind of exiled away from the other data, which means that this would be our right answer. Here's our next example. Remember, the outlier is the point that doesn't fit into the data. So you can see in this first one, we have this sequence of data going this way, and we have this dark purple dot over here that it's kind of like away from the rest of the data. But that isn't the case for the second one. As you can see, the dark purple dot here mixed in with the rest of the data, which means that this would not be the correct answer. This would be the correct answer. Our next example. The two scatter plots below show the same data set. Choose a scatter plot in which the outlier is highlighted. So the first thing that we need to find our outlier, that is the point that doesn't fit into the data. So this is the outlier for this one, and this is the outlier for this one. But we need to see which one is the correct one that doesn't fit with the rest of the data. You can see here in this data sequence that it goes kind of like this, where this one is more away or more exiled away from the rest of the data. This one is kind of in the midst of the rest of the data. So this wouldn't be the correct answer. This would be the correct answer. One more thing that I want to clarify is that the outlier is the highlighted. Outlier is highlighted. So this wouldn't be I'm talking about this point right here, this light blue point. That wouldn't be our outlier because it's not highlighted. That just goes with the rest of the data. Here, we have this one. This is our highlighted point. And here is our other highlighted point. We can see that this data is kind of in this sequence, and this data is mixed into this highlighted point is mixed into this data, which means that this would not be the correct answer. This would be the correct answer because the outlier is more away from the rest of the data. If you like this video, then don't forget to visit our website at tinyurl.com/myquicklessons. Link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye!